Alright, what's up YouTube? It's your girl, Miss Leanna 31. I'm doing a very quick post-Thanksgiving update. I know I said during my weigh-in that I positively did not plan on gaining any weight, just because it was Thanksgiving. And I'm not going to sit up here and fake the funk with everybody. That goal just got shot straight to hell. I'm just going to be real honest. I gained 3 pounds. Uh, and yeah, that's about it. It is what it is. I'm not gonna sit up here and cry, bitch, moan, and complain. Not gonna get depressed and feel bad, because 3 pounds compared to what I have done, it is what it is. The only thing I can do is take it on the chin and just get back on it. I didn't get to enjoy Thanksgiving because with my family because I was at work. I planned on enjoying my Thanksgiving dinner Friday, which I did not do. So Saturday, I cooked Thanksgiving dinner and, celebrated with my family, my kids, my husband, and whatnot. Um, ham, turkey, macaroni and cheese, honey carrots, so on and so forth. And, yeah, I ate. And, I ate that, and I ate my egg custard, and I ate my one little piece of sweet potato pie, and I was happy. So, like I said, I wasn't, gonna do my weigh-in Wednesday and then jump on here and, yay, I lost, 2, 3 pounds and yada yada yada, and sit up here and fake the funk with everybody like, I had not screwed up. I wasn't even about to come at y'all like that. So, like I said, just a real quick video to let you know that yes, I did gain 3 pounds, but no, I'm not gonna sit up here and feel bad and cry and complain about it because it is what it is. Like I said, when I actually um started this lifestyle change that I'm on, I say lifestyle change because I hate the word diet, and this is not a diet for me. This is a new way of living, a new way of eating, thinking, and behaving. I was actually 383.3 pounds. Um, I was standing outside 400's door and knocking. Um, so I mean, 3 pounds. It is what it is. So that's about it. Right now I'm at work, so I'm going to finish my day up. And when I get home, I'm going to put in probably about an hour and a half on Wii Fitness. I'm going to take me a shower, go to bed, get up tomorrow, and just start all over again. So that's about it. Everybody, stay encouraged, be blessed. Congratulations, and we will see you Wednesday. Bye, everybody.